Back off, man. I'm a scientist.
I collect spores, molds, and fungus.
Why worry? Each of us is wearing an unlicensed nuclear accelerator on his back.
Hi, I'm Matt, I'm a Ghostbuster, and I do science stuff! Welcome to today's episode.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode. So today we're going to have lots of fun with helium-filled soap bubbles to make soap bubble clouds. Now, because you're using a tank of helium for this, you're going to need parental supervision. If you're a kid, if you're an adult, go nuts. All you need for it is a tank of helium, a makeshift funnel, so just an old piece of hose, the top of a soft drink bottle, and then a sock taped around the top. And you're going to need some bubble liquid to make bubbles. So you put your bubble liquid in here, get your tank of helium. I really hope this works. Alright, so dip it in here, get the stuff on your sock, here. Alright, fingers crossed. Wow, and it takes off. That's really awesome. I love when stuff works. My neighbors are gonna love me. More bubble liquid, I think. Off it goes! And I took out a bird. Oh! Hit me in the face. So there's a number of techniques you can use to do this. I've seen a whole heap of different ways in YouTube videos, but this was the simplest way I could do it, and I figure if you're going to try it at home, this is the easiest way to try. I'm so glad it's working. It's so simple. Awesome. Oh, that was a long one. Oh. I might bring the camera in a little bit closer. I didn't think this would be this simple and work this well. Let's see how big I can get it without it leaving the sock. Oh, one more. Done. That is awesome. So that was a really quick episode today. Something you can try at home. The hardest thing to get is a tank of helium, but you can buy it from party supply stores. So yeah, ask your parents, get a tank, piece of hose, top of a soft drink bottle, old sock, and bubble blowing liquid, and you can make helium clouds that fly all over the neighborhood and annoy your neighbors.